Hi everyone, today we will do some problems. A shunt generator delivers 400 ampere at 220 volt. The resistance of the shunt field and armature are 50 ohm and 0.02 ohm respectively. Calculate the generated EMF and armature current. Allow 1 volt per brush for contact. So this is the question. So first of all, we have to draw the schematic diagram of the shunt generator. Since the question is about shunt generator, for doing the problem, first of all, we have to draw the schematic diagram. This is the schematic diagram of shunt generator and put the values of different parameters, that is IL, ISH, RA, RSH, etc. So in this question, it says a shunt generator delivers 400 ampere at 220 volt. Delivers means it is giving something. So normally the generator delivers to load. That means the voltage which is delivered to the load means terminal voltage. So 220 volt is the terminal voltage. And the current which is delivering to the load is load current, that is 400 ampere. So first of all, just write these things in the schematic diagram. So 400 ampere is the load current and 220 volt is the terminal voltage. Now it is given as resistance of the armature winding is 0.02 ohm and the resistance of shunt field winding is 50 ohm. Now we have to find the value of generated EMF. First of all, we know that for a shunt generator, the shunt field current IS is equal to V by RSH. We know the equation ISH is equal to V by RSH. So put the value of V is equal to 220, RSH is equal to 50. You will get 4.4 as the shunt field current. Now armature current. We know that for shunt generator, armature current is equal to IL plus ISH. This armature current moves towards the junction and is split into two. That means IA is equal to ISH plus IL. So IA is equal to IL plus ISH. We know the value of IL and we have already calculated the value of ISH. Then we will get the value of IA. Next we have to find the armature resistance drop, IARA. We know the value of IA and RA. Those just find the value of IARA. Now we have to find brush drop. Brush means in a generator there are two brushes. This is a brush and this is a brush. When current flows through the brush or through brush, there will be voltage drop. So in the problem, it is already mentioned as 1 volt per brush. There is a voltage drop of 1 volt in each brush. That means we have to consider the voltage drop as well. So here it is, there are two brushes. This is a brush and this is one brush and this is another brush. So there are two brushes. That is why it is given as 2 into 1. 1 means 1 volt per brush. That there are two such brushes. That is why 2 into 1. That is 2 volt. Now we have the equation Eg is equal to V plus IARA plus brush drop. This is the equation. We have already seen this equation. So Eg is equal to V plus IARA. We have to include this brush drop also. That is the only difference. We have to include the brush drop also. So Eg is equal to V plus IARA plus brush drop. We have already seen this equation in the previous class. This is the series wound generator, so shunt wound generator. So this is the, we have modified this equation to obtain the value of Eg. So after putting the different values, we will get the value of Eg as 230 volt. Next problem, a 250 volt short shunt compound generator delivers 80 ampere. armature, series and shunt field resistances are 0.05 ohm, 0.13 ohm and 100 ohm respectively. Calculate induced EMF. Here it says short shunt generator. So first of all, we have to draw the schematic diagram of the short shunt generator and just write all the parameters, non-parameters here. So it says 250 volt. 250 volt means it is the rating of the generator. Rating means the terminal voltage. So this is the voltage delivered to the load. Otherwise it is called a rated voltage. So 250 volt is the rated voltage or terminal voltage, rated terminal voltage. So V is equal to 250 volt. So it is delivering 80 ampere current. Delivering means load current. Load current is equal to 80 ampere. So and of course it is given the all the resistance values and put that values here. And we know that for a short shunt generator, so this is a short shunt generator. For short shunt generator, this is the armature current. This move towards this junction. In this junction, it is splits into two. Some amount of current will move towards here, and some amount of current will move towards here. So this current is the series field current ISC, and this is the shunt current. So IA is equal to ISH plus ISC. We know that IA is equal to ISH plus ISC. But the same ISC, the same current ISC is moving to load side. So ISC is equal to IL. So IA equal to ISH plus ISC, where ISC is equal to IL. So we already know the value of IL. So ISC is equal to 80 ampere. So that is why it is 80 ampere. Now series field drop is equal to the voltage drop across the series field winding. This winding, series field winding is equal to the current through the series field winding 80 into the resistance of series field winding 0.13. So we will get the value of 10.4. Now the shunt field current in short circuit generator, the equation to find the shunt field current is V plus ISC RSC by RSH. We have already discussed about this equation. So which is equal to 250 plus 250 is the terminal voltage. 10.4 is the voltage drop across the series field winding, and 100 is the resistance. So we will get the value of shunt field current as 2.6 ampere. Now we have to find the value of armature current. We already know the value of series field current, and we have calculated the value of shunt field current. So we will get the value of IA. Now the same equation. In this problem, the brush drop is not given, so we don't need to take that value. So look at this. The brush drop is not given in the problem. So we don't need to take the brush drop. So simply the equation will become EG is equal to V plus IARA plus ISC RSC. Put those values. We already know the values. Put those values. We will get the value of EG.